At first, there was only darkness. You couldn't see the sky, you couldn't move. Then the rain found you. Your shell began to crack, and for the first time, you reached toward the world above. You were tiny, almost invisible, but every drop of water and every ray of sunlight gave you another reason to keep growing. Your roots reached deeper. Your leaves stretched higher. Day after day, you chose growth over comfort. Then the storms came. They bent you, but they couldn't break you. Every season left a lesson, and every scar made you stronger. Slowly, the impossible happened. A fragile sprout became a tree. Soon, birds called your branches home. Parents and their child rested beneath your shade. Your strength became someone else's shelter. And one day, you looked around and realized something beautiful. You never rushed the journey. You simply kept growing. And sometimes, that's how the smallest seed becomes an entire forest.